powerful and portable, without the hassle and maintenance of gas. The Ryobi 1800 PSI electric pressure washer blasts away stubborn dirt and debris, using 1800 PSI, leaving surfaces spotless. The lightweight portable design allows users to effortlessly move from one area to the next to get the job done quickly. The Ultra Flex hose is 50% thinner, making it lighter weight and easier to maneuver around compared to standard high-pressure hoses. Simply connect the included turbo nozzle for 50% faster cleaning, a 15 degree for stubborn messes, or the soap applicator for a deeper clean. When the job is done, store the nozzles on the onboard storage. With a compact design, this pressure washer can easily be stored, leaving plenty of room in the storage area. The Ryobi 1800 PSI electric pressure washer, sold exclusively at the Home Depot.